And it was a hard lesson to learn. I was not prepared. I know a lot of people were. I know a lot of people were not. I was one of the people that were not prepared. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Danny and this is Noir Sculpt. And I just wanted to take some time to introduce myself so you can get to know me and I can get to know a little bit more about you. I really want to create this community of helping one another, getting to know one another, and just elevating ourselves. So first and foremost, Happy New Year. I hope that you are having a great start to 2021 and that 2020 you gained something. Maybe you left something in 2020. Maybe you left multiple things in 2020 and that you're bringing a whole new perspective and intention and purpose into 2021. Quarantine really put a lot of things into perspective for me, and I know a lot of people. And one thing that the quarantine really put into perspective of me is always being prepared. Just being prepared, the importance of having what you need when you need it was vital. And it was a hard lesson to learn. I was not prepared. I know a lot of people were. I know a lot of people were not. I was one of the people that were not. And one thing that I took from 2020 is that I want to have my own garden. I want to have my own little herb garden, my own little vegetable garden, my own little vine of tomatoes, just so I'm always prepared. I always have something in my house that I can depend on. So God forbid this happens again. There's another kind of pandemic. We're okay. We're okay. We can put our seeds in our soil, get our weights out, get our little elastic bands out, and we can get the workout popping. We can get the recipes popping. Okay, get your garden popping. All right. So just to be prepared, that was one of the lessons that I took out of 2020. I just wanted to take some time today to just give you an introduction of me so that you can get an understanding of myself and how I want to be of service to you and where I want the direction of this channel to go. So today I want to discuss 3 things that will cover the direction of this channel and where it's going to go. I'm going to start with who I am, what I do, and the why behind what I do. I am a child of God. Jesus is my Lord and Savior. I feel like He has given me the gifts that I want to share with you. That is the purpose that I was placed here for, and I just want to help my purpose bring you closer to yours. Secondly, I consider myself a helper. I'm the person, when there's a cookout, when there's a party, when there's anything going on in somebody's house, I'm the person putting up the tables, putting the chairs up, the decor up, making sure everyone knows where their seat is. I'm just a helper. I just love to help. I love to plan. I love to be in the thick of things and just really being an aid. I'm someone that loves to help people work out. I always have, even before I was certified. I love to help my friends, my family work out, people that I went to school with work out and just reach their fitness goals. It was just something kind of like inside of me that I had a desire to do, so I went and helped. And over the years, I realized, I want to take this very seriously. So I decided to become certified. And here we are. And now I'm practicing and I'm providing workouts to you guys. And I'm going to continue to do that, Lord willing, as long as you want it. I'm also someone that loves to garden and loves to plant. I have over 30 plants. It's pretty ridiculous. It's pretty bad, y'all. It's pretty bad. I had to put myself on probation, but I digress. I'm someone that loves to plant. It's something that grew in my family, something that my back in generations, my great grandmother and grandfather were farmers and they grew plants, and it was just the way of life. They had multiple children that they had to feed, and I feel like I picked up that skill because of my family, and I'm thankful for it. I love seeing something grow and nurturing something to the point where you were a part of that magic. Growing and planting is honestly God's magic. You're seeing a miracle happen. You're seeing and tending to the soil and tending to the plant and planting the seed and seeing it come up. It's just the most beautiful thing. It's the most beautiful thing. And I want to help anyone who feels like, I don't have a green thumb, sis. I can't do that. I can't grow anything. All my plants die. I got you. I'm going to make it super simple so that you can learn how to grow in your own home. We will get it together. It's all about paying attention to your plant's needs. You just feed it, you give it the right lighting, you give it the right temperature, and it will live for you, right? So I just want to help you to be empowered to grow your own food, grow your own plants, whether it be one. It could be one herb that you want to grow and that will make your soul so happy. I will help you do that. Okay, I'm going to help you make it really simple. I'm a student of growing. I'm not an expert. I don't consider myself an expert. I consider myself a student. I consider myself someone that's always learning, always looking for knowledge, always looking for tips and tricks, and I want to share that with you. And you can also share that with me. If you're someone that loves plants or just wants to learn, definitely leave that in the comments. Let me know what you love about plants, how many plants you have, how many plants you want to have if you don't have any. Just leave it in the comments below and let's talk. Let's talk about that. You can grow your own food, sis. You can really grow anything you want to do. You can get the body you want in your house, in your apartment, wherever you live, you can do it. So I really just want to dive deep also into self-care on this channel, whether it be face masks, whether it be doing our nails, whether it just becoming clean about the things we're dealing with. I'm someone that has overcome childhood traumas. I'm someone that has overcome self-shame and a little bit of religious shame, if I'm honest, and someone who is still healing, still dealing with different things that have occurred in my life. And it really is a journey. It really is a tough journey. Healing is really messy. And I just want to be truthful and transparent on this channel so that we can all connect and know that there's someone out here that shares your story. There's someone out here that loves you, that supports you, that wants to be an avenue for you to express yourself. And I just hope that this channel can be that community where we can all come together and just share our true selves. This channel can be somewhere where you can just let the hair down, right? Let your hair down and just let it all out. So for this channel, I just want to empower you to become your healthiest self. And that really starts from the inside out. That really starts from your mind. That starts from really putting yourself first, prioritizing yourself, making time for yourself. Just how we schedule appointments, schedule parties, schedule events, schedule time for yourself. And make sure that you are your number one priority. And just let me know in the comments, what are you trying to accomplish for 2021? What is your ultimate goal for 2021? Whether it be your body, whether it be your mind, your spirit, your inside out, your self-care, let me know. I want to hear from you, okay? All right, thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you in the next video with all the things that we discussed that's coming forward. All right.